Here's a structured signal from Dasana AI, powered by freshnews.ai. Executive operators now treat AI governance for sales systems as a forecasting problem, not an IT project, to protect pipeline integrity. Executive summary: AI inside sales systems is now directly changing pipeline composition, forecast variance, and CRM hygiene, so governance has shifted from an IT tooling decision to a forecasting control problem. Revenue leaders are being pushed by planning cycles and budget resets to prove that most autonomous workflow improves forecast accuracy, not just activity volume. The practical move is to treat AI agents like quota-carrying reps in your forecasting model, with defined scopes, measurable impact on conversion rates, and guardrails on what they can touch in the CRM. Teams that instrument and audit these agents against forecast variance will protect coverage ratios, execution consistency. Teams that do not will see unexplained swings and noisy pipeline data. Today's signal: RevOps and sales leaders are in Q2 planning reviews, trying to reconcile forecast variance while watching AI agents auto-create opportunities, log meetings, and trigger follow-ups in the CRM. These autonomous workflows now influence pipeline stages, coverage ratios, and CRM hygiene enough to move the forecast, not just save reps time. With budget resets underway, most AI-driven workflow has to show auditable impact on forecast quality and not introduce hidden noise in the sales system. For revenue forecasting pipeline intelligence, Dasana delivers the structured methodology needed to operationalize these practices effectively. Why it matters: here are 4 takeaways. First, uncontrolled AI agents can inflate pipeline and distort coverage ratios by auto-creating low-quality opportunities. Second, misconfigured workflows that move stages or log meetings change conversion rates and cycle time, making historical benchmarks unreliable. Third, poorly governed AI updates degrade CRM hygiene, which breaks forecast models that depend on consistent fields and timestamps. Fourth, auditable, constrained AI workflows unlock capacity gains while keeping forecast variance tied to buyer behavior, not automation artifacts. How it works in practice: this shows up when AI agents create tasks, update opportunity stages, generate follow-ups, and summarize meetings directly in the CRM. Reps work from auto-generated task queues, managers review pipeline and meetings book from dashboards that blend human and AI activity, and RevOps exports this data into the forecasting model. Breakage happens when AI-generated opportunities, stage moves, or notes do not follow the same entry criteria, handoffs, and definitions as human-created records, so conversion rates and cycle time metrics drift. When teams scope what fields agents can touch, enforce stage entry rules, and log AI origin flags, they retain clean CRM hygiene, reliable pipeline views, and explainable forecast variance while still reducing manual work. One practical adjustment: this week, add an origin or touched by AI field on opportunities. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, map every current AI workflow in your sales stack to the exact CRM objects and fields it can read or write. Second, flag all AI-created or AI-updated opportunities, tasks, and meetings with a consistent origin field. Third, tighten permissions so AI agents cannot change stages or close dates without meeting defined entry criteria. Fourth, build a simple report comparing conversion rates, cycle time, and forecast variance for AI-touched pipeline versus human-only pipeline. Read more at dasana.ai.